Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. Now this is how to fix the issue sign out is not available due to restrictions on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. So usually there's a restriction set. In order to turn off this restriction, you're going to first start in your settings and then you're going to go to screen time here. And from here on, this is where the restriction happens in content and privacy. You're going to tap on that. You're going to basically ensure under where it says accounts here, you're going to make sure it says allowed. And then along with that, you're going to go ahead and turn this off. So we're going to turn that off. It's going to ask you for the device screen time passcode, which might be different from your device passcode. So we're going to go ahead and enter my screen time passcode, and then this will be turned off. And then we're going to go back. And then one more thing you want to do is click on change screen time passcode, and we're going to turn off screen time passcode. So we're going to go ahead and enter that. And now it's been changed. Now we're going to go back to our Apple ID again and go down and ensure that this is go away. So it takes a moment. So if you don't see it right away, just wait, or you can go ahead and close it out and relaunch it and then try a few seconds later. But now, as you can see, this is fixed, and now I can go ahead and tap on it and then go ahead and enter my Apple ID password to sign out successfully. And then the other thing you also want to consider if you're having this grayed out is that you have a good stable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Put your phone on airplane mode and turn it off. And you can also try restarting your device. And after that, you should be able to sign out as well. So that's a fix. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple devices. I'll see you guys next time.